Hi there, this is Gabriela. Okay, let's talk about another common question about if my campaigns or Money Robot's gonna be working or still creating backlinks if I turn off my computer or I close Money Robot. Definitely no. That's that's simple. Um, Money Robot need to be working. Okay, need to be open and also a computer on. If you want to work with Money Robot 24/7, the best choice is gonna be VPS. I will give you the link for Money Robot VPS under the description area. On the description area, and you can also try another one. Doesn't matter. You don't need to get Money Robot. For me, I'm not. I try in the past, and I prefer definitely working with Money Robot products. Is much easier and better, for me. Okay, let's do an example. Okay, let's do something really quick. Campaign SEO.com sample SEO tools, um, SEO diagrams, something like that. I'm not gonna create an article or anything. Just gonna create the campaign to show you what happened. Okay, after you create the campaign, in this case, gonna we didn't choose to create new accounts under any specific category or reuse any account under any specific category. I just did something simple to show about this. Okay, it's working. You can see here it is working. Okay, this is really important. When you see this area blank, restart Money Robot. In some point, the CPU is overloaded. If you see here 100% means also restart Money Robot. Check also any app is working, maybe taking a lot from your computer or including your VPF if you are not using the PVP, sorry, the VPS only for Money Robot. Okay, let's see if you see everything is working. If you close it for any reason, okay, we're gonna close it and then reopen it. It's gonna start exactly in the point you leave it. Okay, it's gonna connect to the money to the proxies. Let's wait a little. Okay, it's working, and now it's taking control exactly where we left. Okay. If you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer you, um, really quick too. If not, contact us via chat, email, or Telegram. Okay? Thank you. Until next